Hi guys, this is Diane here, Diane Hogarth in my group Attraction Marketing Unleashed and also Millionaire Mom on YouTube. I get a lot of questions. How on earth do I make money and get leads when I haven't got a clue what I'm doing? So it's really quite easy. Instead of spamming your links and saying, look at me, what are my products? I'm going to help you make $10,000 in a month. This is what you do. Here's one I made earlier. I've got a webinar that I can get commission on. So I'm promoting a link, which you don't have to buy anything. And affiliate marketing is getting a link to something that you don't buy, and you get some commission if you sell it. So that's what affiliate marketing is. So this is what you need to do. Find a product or thing that you want to promote that you believe in, and then put a little teaser post out. A teaser post is a little few sentences or a one-liner that says, hey, I've got a free 7 steps guide to Facebook groups. Who wants one? Or in this instance, I'm promoting a webinar. So great news, an affiliate marketer who earns 6 figures has given me the inside information. He's got a secret webinar to invitees only on March the 2nd. Would you like a place? Now, I'll put extra smileys in because it looks pretty. And I've got 53 comments. So I'm wading through the comments. So what I'm going to do now is a live version of what I do. So I'm going to just view the previous comments. And what you have to do is you have to reply to each person in the list. And you say, just sending you a message. I've got to find some that are blank because it's quite, here we go. Bruford Wilson. So what you do is you reply to him and go, hey, Bruford Wilson. I can't spell Wilson. And then hopefully his name will come up so he turned blue. If he doesn't, do the @ sign and then it should. Cool. Hey, Bruford Wilson, thanks for the comment. Just send you a message. I usually do it back to front. You can send the message first. And oh, I've actually sent him a message. Let me see. Okay, so he actually wants the link, because I've asked, you have to ask them if they want the link, because even half an hour later you've forgotten what you've said, what you've commented on. So I've done a little capture page here with, so you get the link. If you're clever, you can put a capture page together and put him on your email list. There you go. Cool. So what you do is you say, hey, Bruford, do you still want access to the affiliate marketing webinar with the 6-figure earners secrets? So this is all you do. You wait for them to say yes and you send them a message. Sometimes you'll get people messaging you as they're online at the same time. So you go, hey, Carla, Jane, would you still like info? Where a 6-figure earner is giving away his secrets. Click. Another tip I wanted to show you is, I'm friends with this person, but I haven't really spoken to her yet. So she can be in the cold list and put affiliate marketers. That's quite important, but that's another video. I just wanted to tell you. So I've just sent her a message. So this is what you do. Hey, Carla Jane. Just so I've still just sent you a message now. Okay. What you need to remember as well is change every single message that you write. If you do the same messages over and over again, you will get put into Facebook jail. So this is just a quick video to show you how I do it and how to attract people to you. This is the first lesson of attraction marketing at its best. See you on the next video.